Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify content cannibalization using Screaming Frog exports step by step clearly. Open Screaming Frog and enter your website URL in the search bar. Select the appropriate settings to crawl your site. Click on the Start button to begin the crawl. Wait for the crawl to complete. Navigate to the Internal tab to view all internal links. Export the internal link data by clicking on the Export button. Open the exported file in Excel or Google Sheets. Filter the results to identify pages with similar keywords or topics. Look for patterns indicating that multiple pages are targeting the same keyword. Sort the data by page title or URL to compare content. Analyze the meta descriptions to spot overlapping themes. Use the Content tab to check the word count of each page. Review the headings and subheadings for similarities. Generate a list of pages that compete for the same content. Cross-reference this list with your website's analytics data. Look for pages with low traffic that may be suffering from cannibalization. Identify which page should be optimized or consolidated. Document your findings for future reference and strategy. Plan how to best address the identified content cannibalization issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.